Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on public profile on your Amazon shopping app. We will go to turn on this mark on now how you can do that on your account. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just click here on settings, then it's going to show for you window like this. Then you just click here on permissions. So you go to next window here and you just waiting to show for your window or open with you, and you go down here, so you keep going. Then you come here to public profile, you click here on this mark, then you just waiting, so you're waiting to turn on with you, and like you see this color show for us, that's mean public profile is turned on now. So that's all you have to do to turn on public profile on your Amazon shopping. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish you know you are getting. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.